Yeah, I have a question. So everything sounds fantastic. I just wanted to verify, like I'm an avid internet vlogger. Am I allowed to pitch clients and visit these properties with my full gimbal setup?
That's something that depends on the property, to be honest with you. And right now, I don't have an answer for it, Jacob.
Okay, no problem. Can we watch Jimmy Valvano's 1993 ESPY speech? It inspired me as a young man.
Okay. Okay. Well, actually everybody's leaving. Okay, don't worry. We can do it like in the one-on-one. Remember that we can do it there, okay?
What's going on, guys? If you are new to the channel, my name is Jacob and this is another episode of Rocky Mountain Sav. Now, Denise and I have a Toyota 4Runner. It is a 2016 and it is about to come up on 100,000 miles. We are incredibly excited at this milestone simply because these Toyotas are known to outlast every other vehicle on the market. So that's exactly what today's video is about. How much and what is going to be serviced on our 4Runner at 100,000 miles. This car is absolute therapy for me. God, it's so good. Every time I drive it around, it's just like a complete mood changer. You know, Denise has the 4Runner today. She actually had to take it to work, so I am in the Mustang getting a car wash. The auto washes here in Denver are absolutely superb. Maintenance is one of those things that's kind of a pain in the ass. You know, it's definitely something that you don't necessarily want to have to spend money on, but it's inherently something that's important. Some of the main services coming up are going to have to do with the four-wheel drive system, the transmission potentially, the cooling system. I hear that spark plugs might potentially be needed. At the end of the day, it's not the biggest deal because once we get this service done, we know that the vehicle's going to be reliable, and it's really important for us to have that reliability when we're doing stuff out in the mountains. So I'm actually kind of excited to get it done, although some people might think of service as kind of a pain in the butt. It's really interesting. A lot of the places that I called, they actually had pretty similar quotes, which gave me a, pretty good peace of mind, I guess you could say. But at this point, I'm basically just trying to go get some E85 for the Mustang because I've been super low for a couple days. Oh my God, when did gas get so expensive? At least we're on E85, right? There is one more place that I wanted to check with as far as service goes. So I'm gonna give them a call today and we'll price them out. Alrighty, just as promised, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown as I just got off the phone with the last option. And I actually think I'm gonna go with option number 1. So that was originally actually the closest to my house, but after I mapped out everything with them, kind of talked to them about everything, this is exactly where we stand. And we are totaling a whopping $1,289. Now, essentially, this is going to include the brake fluid exchange, the cooling system exchange, fuel injector cleaning service, the power steering fluid exchange service, And then got your oil change on there, rotation of tires, premium coolant. Got everything on there. Perform a 4x4 service. Pretty much the only thing they said that we kind of had to wait and see on was the actual transmission service itself. And then they did let me know that spark plugs are going to be due at 120,000 miles. So have another 20,000 miles to sit on those. But like I said, I don't think this is too shabby whatsoever. Just a couple of items that need to get done. These are our vessels. You need to care for them. You need to respect them. You know, you guys might think that I'm just some guy from Denver that has my head in the clouds, but we used to have horses, and we used to have to feed those horses and care for those horses and make sure that they were staying alive so that we could get from point A to point B. And the whole reason that we're spending this money on the maintenance for the 4Runner is so that we can care for it and we can have it for a super long time. So again, guys, respect it, love it, because these things are what drive us.